Greetings to our valued audience. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our subscribers whose unwavering support inspires us to persist in our endeavors. If you have not yet subscribed, we encourage you to do so as it will ensure you remain informed about our latest content without any adverse effect. We invite you to like and subscribe to our channel to be among the first to receive notification when we release new videos. Losing weight is challenging, especially when you feel like you are doing everything right but not seeing results. By now, most people are aware that you need to consume fewer calories and exercise more in order to lose weight. But if you aren't seeing any positive changes, it could be that you are following misguided advice. Here are some of the common mistakes people make when trying to lose weight. Number one is not eating enough fiber. Carbs are often considered the enemy of weight loss. However, not all carbs are equal. Fiber is a complex carb that helps you lose weight by keeping you feeling full for longer. Eat plenty of vegetables, fruits, and whole grains throughout the day to get more fiber and important nutrients. Number two is overlooking hydration. Drinking plenty of water keeps your metabolic rate high, reduces hunger, and promotes digestion and overall health. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water each day. You may need more water in hot weather and during physical activities to contract the fluid loss that occurs with sweating. Number three is avoid fats. Although it is important to monitor how much fat you are eating, you should not be eliminating them completely from your diet. How much and what type of fats you eat are important. When it comes to losing weight, omega-3 fatty acid found in fish, nuts, and seeds can help keep you satisfied for longer and boost your fat burning rate. Number four is following an overly restrictive diet. In order to lose weight effectively, your diet needs to be sustainable. Eat what is available and affordable. Avoid eliminating entire food groups like carbs, since this increases the likelihood of giving up on the entire diet. Number five is not combining diet with exercise. Healthy weight loss requires a balance of diet and exercise to lose weight sufficiently. Physical activity, along with a calorie restricted diet, are equally important. Relying on just one will not help. Number six is eating too much salt. While salt is a go-to for adding flavor to low-calorie meals, too much salt can lead to water retention, which may show in increased body weight. Moreover, excess salt can lead to health problems such as high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. Numerous errors are commonly made by individuals, but certain ones are particularly disruptive. If these mistakes persist, achieving weight loss will become increasingly challenging, and the desired outcomes may remain elusive. It is essential to avoid repeating these errors to enhance your journey towards weight loss or belly fat. This is health, fitness, and beauty. Engaging with this channel is beneficial. There are other videos in the comment section that will help assist your fitness journey and keep you healthy always. You can check it from the channel, and we encourage you to express your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribing to our channel will ensure that you stay informed about the latest updates and insights. Your support is invaluable, and we appreciate your interest in our community. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We look forward to your commitment to improving your health and well-being is commendable, and we are here to support you on that journey. Bye for now.